for the IC Hot Team. These are the non-starter. Number 15, Andrew Galvez. Number 88, Andre Felipe. Number 2, Cristiana Arjona. Number 17, John Miravete. Number 11, Ramos Malone. Number 11, Brian De La Torre. And the coach, number 8, Rodel Maligan. And now, the starting five for the team, IC on center, number 5, Bowen Royce. Wearing jersey number 88, Eric Onto. Wearing jersey number 8, Rene Avicena. And wearing number 7, jersey, Estrada. And their point guard, number 18, the captain, Mr. Wearing jersey number 17, Pablo Orena. Wearing jersey number 10, team captain G. Valenzo. Wearing jersey number 15, Kai Arcela. Wearing jersey number 6, Noriel Lanza. Wearing jersey number 21, Dude Talumas. And jersey number 29, Vars Ravana. And now, the starting five for your number 1 seeded Ice Packs. The 20-man number 9, Arden Manama. And the center, wearing jersey number 29, wearing jersey number 3, Jimmy Carlosini. And jersey number 24, Jonas Gonzalez. And their team captain, number 4, Carlos Rapida. All right, guys. Good luck. We have Rodel Maligan, able to push through, well-coached, well-oiled machine. And then on the other side, Ice Packs, Ice Hot, all of the jazz. Lavacina Garden. Almost stolen away by the shot. Good effort inside. And it's Salavidas who gets it at the top of the key. Drives to Estrada. No good. Avicena. Salavidas for downtown. It's nothing but the side of the backboard, Estrada. Another strong forward Nunes for three. Mr. Gonzalez has got it at the top. Different sneakers and all. And traveling. Did not set both forward. Very animated on the sideline. Yes, guarded by Nunak. A high up the three, leading to a Nunak defensive rebound. So far, we have had no score today. Only 1.5 minutes, but both teams looking. That up top. Gonzalez over Boyd. You can let that one. Oh, he's going too small on the other end. Already. Big hit, big screen, and a block from Nunak, but a perfectly placed rebound from Nunak. Here's about his 12 lead. Insult on that end. He goes into 2-2. It's in a 2-2 game. We're not only getting very animated at the sidelines as well. You have just joined us here at the championship game. Nunak back at the top of the floor, guarded by Rios. And a screen set by him on Lavasida. And Salavides has the open runway. Vegas calling the it's good. It's 4-2. What a well-oiled defensive possession. Both of these teams coming from two different mindsets, but both of these teams also incredibly well coached. Gonzalez just says no on the inside. Both teams tied at 4. Estrada foul. And it is indeed a foul. That is a foul on Lavasida. He will shoot 2. Let's keep it point for flight. We're here to play Let's keep that mentality alive. Man back, forward, Salavides. It is a shot, long, strong layup. Nunak to back. They are pressing up. Nobody is getting any space. 1-3-1 on the floor. Foul on the floor. Foul number 10. Oh, no good. Weird. Taking it in. A strong leg on the floor.
Foul on Estrada, that moves first. 19 minutes and 17 seconds to go. Here in the championship. Nuna, guarded by Bowen. No good. Again, I have gotten so used to Nuna making every single hook shot in his life. Salamirez is behind the back pass to Bowen. Guarded by Jimmy Esquio and a foul. That is a foul and foul on Nuna. He makes it first. We have seen both. Bowen's already got 6 points to start off what has been a strong first period. He has more than half of his 6 points. Great drives, great again in the basket. Jimmy Esquio, right open in the top. Nuna, elbow shot, passes it back out to Jimmy Esquio. Hand him out, guarded by Salamirez. Nuna, hands up on the ball, hands up on the ball. Like a baby, he accidentally throws it away. Very, very close. Unfortunately, just could not get that one to roll in. 7 minutes, 17 minutes, and 32 seconds left to go. Labastida is going back to see it. Gonzalez picks away. That is the second foul on Estrada. Salamirez in a strong position. Put this to a 9-point lead. He will shoot one. Undeniably. It is indeed a 13-4. Salamirez has a shot to make this a 10-point ball game. You cannot. It is 16 minutes. Substitutions on the floor. We got 5 and 5. Get ready for it. Let's go. 13 to 4. Rabanal. Islanders been scorching hot so far in the tournament. Foul. Foul number 2, he will shoot 2. That is the 14th foul. Garcia will shoot 2. He misses the first, Golden White leg. Here from the other side of the floor, the crowd wrangling into the position. He makes the second. Garcia was not about to miss 2. 13 to 5, sorry, I should say. 13 to 5 and 8-point deficit. Salamirez managing at the top of the floor. Felipe Esquio. Guarded up by Rabanal. Screen by Chuck. And a moving screen on Benavidez. Moving screen foul. That is a 15 foul, the 13 and 13 foul respectively. Going Alonso, driving Salamina, inside, all the swing under the rim, which is left, the turnover. What is it? Almost put away by Arona. Oh my goodness! A trick shot, short in anticipation. Ramana gets it to go. A circus shot to pull out at 6, 13-7. With 13 minutes and 35 seconds left to go. Outside to Benavidez, Salamina, the driver, the player, the goner. It's good. They make it a 3-possession game once again. It's 15-7. Rabanal. Chuck puts his hands up, and Rabanal says, "Thank you very much." It's 15-9. 1 minute until substitutions. Arden. No, it's a total pass. Oh my goodness. The magician, the wizard. The connection makes it a 17-9 ball game. Arcia, guarded by Arizona. And a moving screen. That is a moving screen on Rodriguez. That is a 14 foul. Up and up. Bartel looks shaken up, but still the resolve is strong. Placing himself back up. That is a football move, if I've ever seen one. Here is Salamina. Salamina got it. Rabanal. Guarded by Benavidez. Arsenal. A check. Substitution. Go. Norby. 17-9. One more, and that will lead to a 1+1 bonus on non-shooting forms for Ping. Benavidez at the top of the key of screen. Arjona drives inside. Lanza picks it away. And it's right back to Ping. Salamina is another one. Oh, hit the floor. A strong rebound. Unfortunately, he moved when he planted his feet. It is a travel. 5,000 black. Penalty. Shooting foul. Makes the first. Should also clarify black. Mixed ball, he's got 3 for 4 from the line. I should also clarify that he, on the next foul will not be in the bonus. Black is already automatically in the 1+1 bonus if they are not in shooting form during the game. It's 11-17. Sullivan! Rabanal on the foul. 1, please, 1-1. That is the second foul. Second foul on Benavidez. missing the rebound. Well, that possession ended up much better than I anticipated. It's a 13-17 ball game. Up there, Dio Benavides. Oh, no, it's there! It's a good here! The beat of the five. Strong as he can, the result of Benavides still remains. 19-13. 8 minutes and 31 seconds to go. 2. Let's go. Rabanal on the circle shots and Rabanal on the radio shots still gets it to go in. 6 points for Rabanal. Parker. Arizona. Benavides. And take away Rabanal. That is a 3 from G and a long miss from G. And it is going to go quick ball. Substitution at the 8-minute mark, please. Thank you. We got about 7 minutes and 40 seconds left to go if you have just joined us. It was an 8-point lead earlier. That deficit has been cut to 4. It's a 19-15 ball game as Bowen's got at the top of the key, guarded by Gonzalez. Gets it to Cardell. A 3, a long 3. A long miss. And Luis gets the rebound. Over Gonzalez. And a foul. A foul on Gonzalez. Foul on Gonzalez will lead to 2 shots. One more. Short on the first half. As big and tall as you can get from Bowen, he makes this a 5-point ball game. Splits the 2. Gonzalez has it at the top of the key, guarded by Estrada. Estrada who has 2 fouls so far today. Gets it to Lamacida, guarded by Arana. Into the post for Garcia. Jonathan Cardell. A strong move from Garcia, and he gets the chance to make this a 1-point, 2-point ball game. He misses. A long miss. 3 for 5 from the line from Pyle. Thank you. Salapitas has it at the top of the key. Rabanal guard. Screen by Arizona. Due process gets it back to Salapitas. A rebound from Bowen, who gets himself back in the position. And a foul on Nunak. I believe that is Nunak's second foul. Both teams now in the boat. That's my bad for the first. 21-17. 5 minutes left to go. He makes a 7. It is 22-17. Garcia with the foul. No 1+1 just yet. I'd also like to say Garcia does have 2 and is in foul trouble. Salapitas, no look, but it's stolen away by Rabanal. Rabanal is not tripped up back on Nunak. He's down. Salavidas for three. No, he pump fakes it. And a pass-forward pass to Cardell. Cardell. Screen. Screen. No good. Bowen. Looking too strong in the ball. Hey, good. You got about 3 minutes. Bowen for three. Bowen, fueled by the fire, has taken over in this first quarter. Long shot, Guardian, because of the top of the key. Gonzalez calling. First screen from Martina. Perfect pass inside. Double. Garcia. Lamasina. No good. Brings it to the wall. A foul goal. That is a foul number 55 on the 2-2. They are now in the 2-2. Lunan misses, but he gets his own rebound that gets onto him. 2 minutes and 17 seconds left to go, and it's 25-21. A 4-point game, anybody's ball game. Salavidas has it at the top of the key again, guarded, but key man Ramanal, you see him going back and forth so far. Plenty of the game. Is that 24? That is the second foul. It's good. Bowen not only makes it a 7-point game, it is a 3-possession game, 28-21. Pick firmly ahead. Lavasida, guarded by Cardell. Gonzalez, side steps and side swipes. A foul on Estrada. That is Estrada's third. Hurry up! 30 seconds left to go. He makes a shot. 28-22. 21 seconds left on the clock. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, what a game! I just want to let everybody else again know of the rules that we have set. One timeout per team in the second half. Under 5 minutes, if the deficit is 10 or under, and every dead ball or at every free throw, the clock will be stopped. Again, if the deficit is under 10, 5 minutes, they're going to be stopping the clock. Let's go! Let's go! Keith Randy! Keith Randy! Let's go, guys. 30 seconds is up. We got a game to finish and we all want to go. Keith Randy! It's good. Delay again. Salamidis has got it at the top of the key. Salamidis. Estrada. Back out to Salamidis. Guarded by Julius Hill. And he's taken away by Rabana. Gonzalez can't control the ball. Bowen's got it instead. Wins. Foul. From Bowen to Lewis himself. A foul number 6 and he will shoot one. It is a foul on Hurtado. Guarded by Hurtado. 22 minutes left to go. Screen. Open. Money. The Rabana takeover has continued, and if this comes up, we might be seeing somebody not only carrying their team back and building them through this ball game, but changing momentum as well. All back, Salamidis. Hurtado. Inside. I'm seeing you. He's trying to move rebound. Gonzalez with the rebound. Noriel, Lanza. Guarded by Garcia. Inside one. Ureña. It's good. Screen by Estrada. A blocking foul on Lanza. That is the second foul. No good. Julius got it. advances to Abasida. Drives by again. Lanza, right over the ring. Off the mark.
Ay, sawa, Eric!
Williams. Inside. Estrada. Lanza guarded by Hurtado. 19 minutes and 30 to go. I got 36 and 28. It is 36 and 28 and 8-point lead. Alameda is guarded by Jimmy Esquil. Rios. 3 again. Nothing but in. Rebounded by Alameda. Alameda. Gonzalez. Drives by. It is good. It's 30 and 36. Salamides. Trap behind 3. Hurtado. Oh, he's wide open. Good shot. Rebound. 5. Rios. Pushing his way. Forcing his way. Getting his way. 38 to 30. Too big, too strong. 18 minutes to go. Estrada's got it at the top of the knee, calling out a play. Screen set on both sides. Gonzalez thinks a sideline is good. It's 32 to 38. Salameda's guarded by Jimmy Esquil. A screen by Rios. And a screen again by Estrada. Estrada inside. No good.
Box up,
Guarded
Eric!
by Jimmy again. Lavacina and a screen from Gonzalez. Passes into Gonzalez. Guarded by Estrada. Estrada dealing with some foul trouble. A pull-up jump shot. Short. It looks like it will stay. Lanza. Almost stolen. Gonzalez. No good. But he gets his own rebound. No good. Williams. 16 minutes and 50 seconds left to go. But it's no good. No good. It's the rebound. Estrada. Across the rim. 16 minutes and 40 seconds to go. 40 seconds before manual substitutions go for both teams. Hurtado. Abasida, guarding. Drives on. Rios. Oh, that is a wall. Morena. Jimmy Esquil. Can't get it to go. Next step ball. Next step ball. Screen by Hurtado. Salamedes for 3. Salamedes controlling the narrative. A deep 3 to make it a 13-point game. The hustle and determination. A lot from Bowen and Salamedes. Taking direct action with this one. Gets it to Ravenal. Hopefully Ravenal is okay after a head-on collision. Benito. Started by Cortez. Dunac at the top. Inside. Inside, it is Kyle, who has been doing nothing but getting his way inside. It is a 34-43 ball game. It is 34-43. Turnover and a frustration of a possession. It is still 34-43 with 14 minutes, 40 seconds left to go. Rabanal gets it inside. Foul. Foul number 2. That is the third foul on Jordan. Arjona misses. Again, Arjona has, just like Mr. Estrada, they are both in foul trouble. Salapides. Guarded by Mr. Lamanay. Screen set by Felipe. And another freeze and shoot. Off the mark. Good recovery from Salapides after falling to the floor. And about for three. Off again. Shot has been from Lula today. Salapides the screen from Felipe. A screen again by Felipe. Hit by Munay and a rejection. It will stay. Big ball. 43-36 with 13:25 to go. Arjona. Drive right. He wants to drive right. And Felipe quickly on the help. Alonso at the top. Right by Salapides. Luna. Rabanal. Shoot on the back. Inside. Arcia. A foul. A blocking foul number 2. Arjona. He is one away from disqualification. Arjona again is one away from disqualification. I got it. Manabat. Again, a block under the rim. Inside to Arcia. Turn around. No good. Oh my goodness. Salapides says it is my ball. And all that determining himself, unfortunately, couldn't go. But Milavite almost got it back by the back. One in possession. And with an opportunity to convert in one, they might take this to a one-possession game. The foul is on Milavite. He's trying. Salapides. Cardell, straight. 3. From Cardell. They make it a two-possession game once again. 46-40. 46-40. Rabanal well indicated I have never seen a tougher. Manabat. Luna. Over. Nothing but air. Milavite with the rebound. to the hands, the secure hands of Salavides. And he is guarded by Garcia. Man to man, no holds bar, a screen. Screen again, by Felipe, a three, off the mark. Belenzo with the rebound. Belenzo with the rebound. Right back. Inside to Manra. Luna. That is as easy as it gets, folks. Luna making it 46 to 42. 46 to 42. Cardell guarded by Manra. Manra with a straight face. A screen by Felipe. All of that. Makes it a 6-point ball game once again. 48 to 42. With 9 minutes and 47 seconds to go. Oh, no pass to Emma Cien. Luna, who is as right as rain. 44 48. Screen right on Felipe. Another screen by Felipe. Drives it on Sia. Felipe. Salavides. Floater. No good. Arjona. It is offensive zone. It is 44 to 48. Garcia. The man who might have the best driving grab move on the floor right now. Belenzo, talk about it. Guarded by Arjona, has 4. Gets it back to Ramanal. Popping it out through thick and thin. Garcia, no look, right to the other team. Salavides with a way back at the scorer's table. Gets a 2. Cardell. It is no good. Not about the rebound. And it's a 3-on-2 right now. No good. 8 minutes left to go. 8 minutes and 9 seconds left to go. After the it should be open sub. It should be open sub right after. Inside, Felipe. No good. Hit it high. Garcia. Let's go. Substitution. Both teams are amped, ready. It was an 8-point lead earlier. They have 22. Abessia, no good. One time. Ramanal screen. Called by Gonzalez. Inside. A 2. No good. Bowen. Hustling hard. Gets the rebound. 6 and 45 to go. 48-46. Cardell, back to Abessia. Back to Cardell, guarded by Abessia. And a screen by Abessia. Ramanal has brought his team back to the break. That is 2 fouls on Cardell. They have 5 team fouls. Shooting 2. Pagdalikuan. Substitution. Cardell's got two. He makes a second. It's a tie game. Salamines. It is a tie game. 48-40. A single 48-48. A screen by Untal. Garza Navasquita. Orn. Inside. Untal. Bowen. No, thank you. Second shot clock. 29, 28. Over the top.
Come on, Mike. Make it.
So away. Inside the ground. 25 on the shot.
Defense. Come on, Marisa.
19, 18. Arcia. 16. Let's go. Yeah, take it over. 28 seconds left to go in the shot. Screen by Bowen.
Let's go. Move around.
20 seconds. Black ball. 14 foul. Reset shot clock.
Let's go. Move around. Come on.
Back to Untal.
Come on, lock it.
Right there. A three. No
Sapa.
good.
Behind you.
Here's the three now. Estrada. Four minutes left to go. Arcia. No look back. Right back. Arcia. No one. He gets the ball celebration. Run Estrada. He finally. 50-50. Bowen on the other end. 26 seconds left to go on the shot clock. Back to Ramanal, who has willed his team back. And a foul. Foul number 10. He will shoot two. 16 fouls and more will be black into a 1+1 for the shooting motion. Ramanal has been the straightest shooter so far for the black team today. Ramanal. Next ball. Mr. Salamines off the mark. Almost. 3 minutes and 19 left to go. 50-52. 8-point deficit turned into a 2-point lead for black. Arcia. Guarded by Estrada. Oh, what a shot to put it to 4. It is 54-50 with just under 3 minutes to go. I stopped the clock. Shot clock. Pink still got 1 timeout. Black still has 2 timeouts. Bowen's got it.
You got it.
Inside. Over. 28 seconds left on the shot clock. Dion. Oh, that's a nice three. He faked it out.
Isa pa,
No
isa
good.
pa. Isa
Reset
pa.
shot clock again. And he lost it. Knock it out. 25 seconds left on the shot clock. There is about an equal second differential and 2 second differential. 50 seconds left on the shot clock. The three. No good. They get the rebound and reset. Rebound and reset. 27 seconds left on the shot clock. A screen. Ramanal guarded by 20 seconds left. Hit away by Bowen. 10. And a travel. A traveling call and foul. Salambinas. 25 seconds left. Thought about it. Cardell. 20 seconds left. 15 seconds left. Salambinas for three. Cannot go in. And Soul to do it back in the hands of Mr. Bowen West. And a three again. No! He gets it. Side swap 0. Left to go. 20 seconds left to go on the shot clock. The screen. Fifty, 13, 10, a three, no good. A foul on Ramanal. 50 foul. 52. It is 54-52. Black still up by 2. Gets it up to Cordell. 30 seconds left to go. Three. No. Salambinas. Arona. Back to Salambinas. Inside. Back up to Arona. 20 seconds left on the shot clock. A three. No hesitation. Oh, foul. And a timeout. 45 seconds left to go. One timeout on both sides. Again, 45 seconds left to go, and 8-point deficit turned into a 2-point lead still. One timeout for both. One timeout for both. 45 seconds left. It's a 2-point game. 30-second shot clock again for Black. Abasina gets it in. 25 seconds left to go. Salambinas. Shot clock. 16. That is the fifth foul on Argona. He is disqualified from the game. 17 fouls, so it will be 1+1. RC has a chance.
Sige, pa.
I got the clock.
Let's go, let's go.
10, 9, 8, 3.
Foul, foul, foul. 4 seconds left, 4 seconds.
Who's foul, bro? Who's foul, right? One and one. Foul on Cornell. That is the third.
Wala nang timeout? Wala na kayong timeout?